Alright, these are going to be the main elevators. Fairlane Town Center, Dearborn, Michigan. Look at this vintage Taubman mall. This place is awesome. We'll ride this one first. There's two right across from each other. Oh, that panel's nice. Here comes the other one. You go down. Alright. You on a 3 or? Oh, you're on a 1? 2. Or 2? Alright, can you press 1 for me, please? Oh. Thank you. Going down? Yes. Come on, then.
No, Liz está loca.
Are we going? Going up? He's going up? Come on, and which floor are you going to? Third or second?
Yeah.
2?
Yeah.
You guys have a good one. Alright, let's get our cabbie while we have this thing to ourselves. Here you go. Sorry. Alright, now let's ride the other one. Hopefully the other one will be a little bit less busy. Oh, this one's panel's even worse. Talk about crappy button of the year. This one's like just sticking in there. Pretty sure these are Otis elevators. Here it is. Of course. Do a copy of this one before we go anywhere. State plate. This one's a lot slower. To be honest, this mall's a lot busier than I thought it was. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. It's a little bonus. Yep, old Otis's. I was right. Okay, you can see the Taubman directory over there. Yes, this is a Taubman property. For all of you mall rats like me out there. I don't know if it's still owned by them, but... This one was a little bit rattly. Wind it back down on 1. Close. Only one company on this one. There we go. Alright, let's look up on the ceiling here. No floor indicators, so. Stopping on 2. Going down? Anyone? I don't know. Pretty sure someone called it. Oh, you going down? No. Okay. No, never mind. Alright, we're good. Look it up here. I'm gonna end up on 1. Two is the mid-level, it's weird.